If you're nearing retirement or already there, you've likely thought about how to save on taxes during your golden years. One of the most underutilized tools in this area is a health savings account, or HSA. You may be asking, how can I use a health savings account to save on taxes in retirement? Well, stick around because I'm about to show you exactly how this can benefit you and your tax situation, especially as you move into retirement. Now, before we dive into the specifics of the HSA, here's something important to know. While an HSA offers great tax savings, many people overlook its full potential when planning for retirement. By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly how you can use an HSA to your advantage, and I'll show you a smart way to protect your wealth in retirement, especially if you're someone with $100K or more in your IRA or 401K, or even $5 million in savings. And if you're serious about protecting your wealth in the next 2 weeks, be sure to click the first link in the description below for a free guide on how thousands of Americans are using gold IRAs to safeguard their savings. Now, let's talk about how you can actually use an HSA to save on taxes. First, the big tax benefit of an HSA is that it's triple tax advantaged. What do I mean by that? You contribute pre-tax dollars, your investment earnings grow tax-free, and when you use the funds for qualified medical expenses, withdrawals are also tax-free. That's a rare combo and something you want to take full advantage of, especially when planning for retirement. In retirement, your healthcare expenses will likely increase, and having an HSA that covers these costs can help you save significantly on taxes. Think about it. You're already saving on tax-deferred accounts like your IRA or 401k, but with an HSA, you can create a separate pot of tax-free money for your healthcare needs. You could cover things like doctor's visits, prescription drugs, dental care, and even long-term care in some cases, all tax-free. Here's a key point. You don't have to spend your HSA money right away. In fact, it's one of the best-kept secrets when it comes to retirement planning. You can save those HSA funds for later, letting them grow. As long as you keep the receipts for your medical expenses, you can reimburse yourself years down the road. The longer you let that money grow tax-free, the more it can work for you. Now, if you're wondering, but what if I don't need an HSA in my retirement? Well, there's another twist here. You can use the funds in your HSA for any non-medical expenses, but you'll have to pay taxes on those withdrawals, just like you would with a traditional IRA or 401k. However, if you're looking to build tax-free savings for your medical expenses, this is one of the smartest ways to do it. As a retirement strategy, the HSA is an easy add-on to your existing financial plan. But if you have a larger portfolio with significant retirement savings, you might want to consider other wealth-preserving strategies as well. One of the top strategies that many retirees are turning to today is the Gold IRA. If you want to learn more about why thousands of Americans are opening Gold IRAs to protect their wealth in retirement, be sure to click the link below. This free guide is the perfect fit for American retirees looking to safeguard their savings, especially those with 100K plus in their IRA or 401k, or even $5 million in savings. Lastly, if you're in a situation where you have substantial retirement savings and you're looking for a way to maximize your tax advantages while ensuring your wealth stays protected, consider pairing your HSA strategy with a Gold IRA. Gold IRAs provide a unique hedge against inflation and market volatility, making them an ideal solution to diversify your wealth and protect it from the unpredictable future of the stock market. It's a powerful way to ensure your retirement savings work for you. If you've enjoyed this information and are ready to learn how to maximize your retirement strategy with tax-free healthcare expenses and wealth protection, check out the link below for more insights. If you're serious about securing your financial future, especially with 100K or more in your IRA or 401k, this is the right path for you. Thanks for watching, and make sure to get that free guide in the description to start your journey towards securing your wealth today.